Double, 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 down, down. Now, yeah. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns. Why not? Any and everything down below. Now then. So, most of your PEZ dispensers, when you look at them, PEZ on this side, and then when you flip it over, the P will be at the bottom and you'll see PEZ. When we look over here at these dispensers, this is a footed Bugs Bunny, IMC3, and this, focus right in here. Thank you. That is a 4-9 Hungary stem. When I flip it over, come on now. Well, my focus is just not wanting to work with this one. Not sure why. But you can see the P is at the bottom. When compared to the Donald Duck here, they are similar. Well, I just found something really cool on IMC3. 4.9 Hungary stem. As I flip it over, it's a double down. Never knew there was a double down on the 4.9 Hungary. This is the first one I've seen. So my question to you, PEZ collecting fans, do you have any 4.9 Hungary double downs? Really cool. And then, as I was gathering stuff for the pig event, I noticed this nice little Miss Piggy with the eyelashes. And she resides on a 3.9 Austria stem. And when I look up here, there's no IMC, but there is a broken spring. See the crack in there? Yeah, that's unfortunate. But when I flip it over, it is a double down. And let's see, where is it? It's really hard to see. Right in here. That's the upside down 8. Really cool. So 2 new double downs. Awesome. So until next time.